Is it all, no? Everybody introduce me. I think so. Everybody talk with me, no? Right, Infas and Fatima is the one. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, right. There may be a problem with camera or mic sometime. Okay, right. Other except Fatima, then everybody has to turn on mic, turn on sorry camera, not mic, right? Camera when I teach you. Okay, let's start. Let's get on with the topic, right? Number pattern, grade 9. Start with this. Grade 9 number pattern. Right, you know that number pattern. Who has textbooks? Who don't have got textbook? That's a problem. First, I have to identify the case.
So I don't have.
Who is that? Diniti Himaya doesn't have.
Dinity.
Diniti.
So
Right.
I also don't have.
Next to Maya. Right. Okay. Who else? The textbook are not with you.
Sir, I also don't have.
Sanuri. Right. Tunai. Who else? Is at all?
Sir, I also don't have.
Infas. 4. Hatarai. Who else don't have textbook? Right, that is all, no? Right, four spellers, right? Okay, don't worry about the textbook. Okay, then I will, then if you don't have a textbook, please refer the e-Taksalam. Otherwise, in the nie.lk, we can download the textbook from that websites. Okay, otherwise, I will send you the some PDF inside the group when you need the textbook, because grade 9, you have to mainly use your textbook. In national textbook, sometime I will give you PDF, doesn't matter, but mainly I focus in grade 9 textbook. Reason, grade 9, we have to learn a lot of things using the textbook. But grade 10 and 11, the subject content is not enough in the textbook. Right? In grade 10 and 11, I am providing books, right? And all the printed materials for your betterment. But in the grade 9, it's very enough to conduct the textbook. And more than that, if there is a specific reason, then I will additionally give you some notes and some PDF to you. Okay, Amai. I told you, right? It doesn't matter about not having textbook, then I will guide as far as possible. Okay, number patterns. Did you write the topic? Number patterns? Number patterns, right? Okay, Amai. Right. What are the number patterns that you know? Right? The patterns, right? You have studied. What are the number patterns that you have seen before you come to this class, Damai? What kind of are they? Number patterns, right? Don't you know? Right, Damai, as example, right? Even numbers. This is a particular pattern, even numbers. Even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Right? That's a pattern. 2 by 2, it's skipping. And it's one of the number patterns. Right? Then odd numbers even we can write down. Okay, more than that, number patterns. Then if I ask you to have triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Right? These are the number patterns that you have seen before you start the lesson today. But I don't know whether you are able to remind, but I will remind. Remind triangular numbers. What are triangular numbers? 1, 4, right? Sorry. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, so on. In triangular numbers, you know any number which can indicate a triangle, right? Number we can arrange in a triangle, right? You know, right? These are triangular number 1 dot, 3 dots, 6 dots, so on. 1 dot, 3 dot, 6 dot, 10 dot, 15 dots. It's the number pattern, right? Today we don't teach you the previous this type, but we have introduced before we go to today lesson. These are the natural number patterns in the world. Natural number patterns. Okay. In addition to them, can someone tell me another number pattern that you have
Odd
learned before
number?
this?
Odd numbers.
Square numbers.
Square numbers,
number?
yes. Square numbers is best, I think, because odd numbers with even numbers we can compare. Odd numbers also correct, very good, really.
So
And
prime numbers.
prime numbers, yes. Then we will get square numbers. Square numbers has a particular pattern. By scoring numbers, we can have it. You know that scoring 1, it is giving 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is also 1. Therefore, the result is a square number. Also, we can illustrate that 1 inside the square. That 1 inside the square we can illustrate. Therefore, these are known as square numbers. You know the next square number, 2 squared. 2 square is 2 times 2. The result is 4. 4 is being a square number. We can illustrate 4 also 4 as a square. Right? And a square number. And 3 is square. 3 square is the 3 times 3 is 9. And result is a square number. Result is a square number. And also if we arrange 9 dots like this, yes, really, anybody can illustrate this in a square. And according to this order, then we can arrange more square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and what is 4 square? Right? What is 4 square? 16.
16.
And 5 square? 25. Right? ළමයි මම 5 square මෙතන හද්දි නම් 25 තමයි. 5 square විභාගයට සමහර අයගේ උත්තරේ පුළුවන් නම් කිය.
10.
10. Stupid answer. 25 is answer. Yeah, 25 is answer. පොතේ mic එක චොට්ට volume එක අඩු කරන්න. මම හිතේ ගානියා please just little bit reduce the volume පොතේ. නැත්තම් මට කන කැලෙන්න එනවා. Right? අනිත් දැන් මම හිතන්නේ එහෙම වෙන්නදී. Right? Reduce කරන volume එක. හරි. Okay. Yes, I was talking about square numbers and 5 square is 25. Really 25. But sometimes some students are writing still there as 10. Wrong. Right? The 6 square is the 12. 6 square is the 36. Okay. Today lesson is not focusing about the square numbers, but I must remind the particular types of number patterns in mathematics before we start the today's session. Right? Then today's session even we have number patterns. We have to generate number patterns. Right? But these are the natural number patterns. Natural number patterns in the world. Right? There are many, but as few examples, I got only 3 examples. Right? 3. Right? Okay. Then write down number patterns as a subtopic. Natural number patterns. Natural number patterns. Right? Few are there. EG1, EG2, EG3. Write down. Natural number patterns. Natural number patterns. Natural number patterns. right? Okay, may I erase it? For maths grade 9, book part 1, first lesson. Right, are you okay? May I erase it? Right?
Okay.
Okay, no? Right. Right. Okay, these are natural number patterns. In natural number patterns, you identify, you observe, you felt. But now, develop number patterns, right? We will get developed number patterns. Right, this is a lesson. Right, develop number patterns. Right, how to develop a number pattern. Right, how to develop a number pattern. I will show you how to develop a pattern. Okay, now I will ask you any number. Right, Jasmine, tell me any number you like below 10. 7. He told 7. I will write 7. Okay, now I'm going to develop a number pattern. Right, Jasmine help me. Okay, I need another help from Umaya. Pute, tell me another number below 10. Any
4.
number below? Sorry, Pute?
4.
4. She told me 4. Okay. Now I'm not going to write the 4, but I'm going to add the 4. If I add 4 to this 7, what's the number generating? 11. If I add 4 again, what's the number developing? If I add 4,
44.
15. Right? If I add another 4, what's the number developing?
19.
19. If I add another 4, what's the number developing?
23.
23. In this way, we can really find a nice number pattern. But it is not a natural number pattern, it is a developed number pattern. Developed one. Right? The pattern is always skipping 4 by 4. Right? Okay. Now again, any example, we can write some few examples, right? Okay, Chamara, just tell me any number between 10 and 20. Pute, between 10 and 20, Chamara, any number. Any? Between 10 and 20? Might come number. Okay. Then I will ask by someone. In fast, right? Any number between 10 and 20?
18.
18. Yes, he told 18. Good. 18. Okay. Now I need the number below 10. I will ask from who are the fellows here? We have Johan. Yes, just have a number below 10.
8.
Yes, he told 8. Okay, now I'm going to develop a number pattern. So what will be the next term? 18 plus 8.
26.
26.
Yes, 26. Right. And 26 plus 8, again you can develop.
34.
34. 34 plus 6. 8. 34 plus 8.
40. 42.
42. Right, enough. Right. Okay, we can develop number patterns in this way. Right, but they are not natural, but we can develop. Okay, now I have to show you another example, right? Okay, anyone, generally, don't turn off the cameras. Are you always, so how we are working? I'm going to be right? In my class, I have policies, right? Everything you have to clear, right? That's right. Okay, right. I need, yes, generally, tell me a number between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Suddenly you have mute the mic and tell, but I can't hear. Then you have to unmute the mic and tell.
21.
21. She is told 21. Okay, 21. Right. Okay. I need Mohammed Ayaz, right? Pute. Yes, any number between, sorry, below 5. I need below 5. Number below 5. Right. This is from Mohammed Ayaz. Can you tell me any number below 5? Right? Are you there?
3.
3. You told 3. Okay, Mohammed, yes, you have to turn on the mic, okay? Okay, not my camera even, right? Okay, Mohammed told me 3, right? I'm getting 18. To develop up to 18, what has been done? Have I added or have I subtracted?
Subtract 3.
Yes, I have subtracted 3. Right, Gania Pude. Again, you had to turn reduce the mic Pude. Right. Okay, right. We will develop like this. Right, very good. Then again, then if I reduce a 3 from 18, what's the next number coming?
15.
15.
15.
15, okay, right. Then if I again subtract, what's the number coming?
12.
12.
12.
12.
Good. Okay, now you know, right? The totally we can develop, but this is a decreasing number pattern. Previous two are increasing number pattern, but they are number patterns develop. Okay, right. Now, can you develop a number pattern alone? Then තනියම number pattern එක develop කරගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Yes. Yes.
පුළුවන් නේද? අනිවාර්යෙන්. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. දැන් මම එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේ ටික ලියාගන්න. Number patterns ටික. right මේකේ යටින් ලියන්න first term 7 difference. What's the difference we got in the first one? 4, yeah. Difference is 4. Never here. Difference is 4. What do you get there? Right. Right. This is for the first one. Second one, third one, you can write down. Right. camera off කළා නම් අයින් කරනවා. camera off කරන් ඉන්න බෑ මගේ rule එකට. camera එක off වෙනවා නම් දැන් මේ අනිවාර්යෙන් මට කලින් කියලා ඒක excuse ගත යුතුයි. අද first day ඉඳන් මම වැඩි තාතර බලන්නේ. next day මට හරියටම කියන්න reasons තියෙනවා නම්. So okay. Okay, right. Right, we will write an example, right? EG1. Write down this question. Develop a number pattern. Develop a number pattern. As first term 12. As first term 12. And common difference 5. Develop a number pattern as the first term 12 and the common difference 5. Common difference එක 5. Right, develop කරන්න බලන්න.
So first term
12 common difference 5. Terms 5 का develop करो. Right? 12, 17, 22, 22 plus 5, 27.
27.
Yeah, what on 32 next one, right? Okay, now EG2, write on this one. Generate a number pattern. Generate a number pattern. Generate a number pattern with first term. With first term 91. With first term 91. First term 91 and common difference 9 and common difference 9. අපද
first term එක මොකක්ද?
first term 91 common difference 9.
So increasing or
Increasing. I told 9, not minus 9. If I tell you minus 9, they probably is decreasing. Now this is increasing. Right. 91 plus 9. 100. 100 plus 9. 109. 109 plus 9. 180. Yes, in this way, good. Right, third one. Develop a number pattern. Develop a number pattern. First term 75. First term 75. And common difference minus 6. And common difference minus 6. First term 75, common difference minus 6.
Sir, first term
First term
Common
75.
difference.
First term 75. We will write A as first term, okay? And common difference, difference D. Common difference minus 6. And should we add or should we subtract now?
Subtract.
We have to subtract because minus 8 then. Right, 75 minus 6.
69.
69. 69 minus 6.
69.
60.
63.
And
63.
57. So on. Okay.
7.
Fourth one. Right? Develop a number pattern. Write down. Develop a number pattern with first term.
Sir,
Yes.
is it 69 or 67?
I told minus 6. Ne? When we subtract 6 from 75, what's the answer? 69.
Sir, I had written 73.
Then it's okay. But 75 is the number I told. Okay. Then no. Right. Right. What was my question? Yes. Develop a number pattern with first term. With first term minus 20. With first term minus 20. With first term minus 20. And difference and common difference plus 3. Common difference is 3. 3. Minus 20. Common difference is 3.
No.
20. It is minus 20. Minus 23 plus 3 is the common difference. We have to develop. What can be the next term? Yes.
Minus 23.
Okay, wait.
Minus 17.
Minus 17.
Yes, minus 17 is the answer. Okay, but there can be some students think like that can be minus 23. It's a general case. Okay, wait, I will explain. Now, you imagine minus 20 like 20 females. ගැහලමයි 20ක් කියලා හිතන්න. ගැහලමයි 20ක් ඉන්න තැනකට නිකන් හිතන්න වැඩි හිතන්න එපා. දැන් මම කිව්වේ ඩෙවලොප් කරන්නේ +3 දාලා 3 ඇඩ් කරලා. ඒක ගැහලමයි 20ක් ඉන්න තැනට ප්ලස් කියන්නේ කොල්ල නම් කොල්ල තුනක් ආවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? සරලව හිතන්න නිකන් වැඩි හිතන්න එපා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? අතර කැපුණාම වැඩිපුර ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ ගැහල ළමයි නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ කොල්ල තුනට කෙල්ල තුනක් අපි පොඩ්ඩක් අයින් කළා දාමුකෝ. නේද? අපි හිතමු නාට්‍යයක් කියලා කොල්ල තුනයි කෙල්ල තුනයි පැනලා යනවා. අපි එහෙම හිතමු හිතන්නේ මේක කරන්න එපා. ඕගොල්ලෝ තාම චුටි දරුවෝ මම කියන්නේ සරල කතාව. ඒතර මම අහන්නේ මෙතන නාට්‍ය වල යන්නේ මම කියන්නේ. ඒක -20 නම් දැන් අර කෙල්ල තුනක් ගියානේ. තව කෙල්ල කීයක් රිමේන්ඩ් වෙනවද? -70. එනවාද? දැන් ඔතන ආයෙසර ඩෙවලොප් කරන්න කොල්ල තුනක් දාලා කෙල්ල ඉන්නේ අඩු වෙනවා. මොකද වෙන්නේ? -40. එනවාද? -40 ට ආයෙත් පොසිටිව් තුනක් දැම්මා කියන්නේ එන්නේ අඩු වෙනවා නේ. මයිනස් කීයද තුනක් අඩු -11. ඉනා. එනවා නේද? හදාගන්න. ඕක අනිත් පැත්ත මම දෙන්න ඊළඟ ක්වෙස්චන් එකේ. ඒක හොඳට තේරෙයි. Right. Develop a number pattern. Next one. Develop a number pattern. Right? With the first term -20, same question. With first term -20 and the common difference -3. And the common difference -3. The -3. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? -20. We have to develop with a positive 3 or negative 3. -3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
දැන් කෙල්ල 20ක් ගාවට එන්නේ කොල්ල තුනක්ද කෙල්ල තුනක්ද?
කෙල්ල තුන.
කෙල්ල තුනක්. දැන් කෙල්ල පැනලා යනවද? එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද මම නිකන් කිව්වේ. right. එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ මෙතනදී? කෙල්ල ගැන්සිය වැඩි වෙනවා. නේද? The number of females should be increased. Therefore what will be happen? -23. එනවා නේද? ඒක ඩෙවලොප් කරන්න females ළඟ. female එකක් ඒක. right. -23 ට තව දාන්න තව -3ක්. -26.
6.
And -20.
-26.
Then there are oh yeah, we can develop, right? It doesn't matter. There are many ways to develop number patterns, right? Are they natural number patterns like square numbers, triangle numbers, or develop one? Develop one, okay?
Yeah.
Right. Right. Now sixth one, develop a number pattern. Right now, develop a number pattern whose first term x, first term is x, and the common difference is 4, and the common difference is 4. First term x, common difference we will write d කියලා ලියන්නකො d4. and a එක a to z ලියන්නේ a එක of x d4 එහෙම ලියන්නේ. How to develop it? Right? With the first term x, what would be the second term? මොකක් වෙයිද?
X minus 4.
Wait, I told +4. We have to develop +4. Therefore,
So 4x.
X plus 4.
ah. Okay, there are two answers: x plus 4 and 4x. We have to
X
develop.
plus 4.
X plus 4.
Okay, should we add or should we multiply?
Add.
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 To add, x is known or unknown? X is unknown.
Unknown.
To this unknown, right? More 4 unknowns are coming. Unknowns are separable. Unknowns are living separable. Not living together, but like be together, but they are separable. X and 4, this is x plus 4, right? X is a one unknown and 4 is another unknown, but one is algebra, other is numeric. Right? Algebraic expression, x plus 4. And with this x plus 4, how can we develop with another 4?
Plus
X
8.
plus
X plus 8.
x plus 8, because with this 4, the coming number 4 is known, because 4 and 4 known, that's why they are getting added. Therefore, x plus 8. And further, x is unknown, but 8 to plus 4, they are known. What is that? 12.
12.
We don't multiply. If we multiply it only, we could have written 4x like that. Right? X times 4 will be 4x, but x plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, then plus is plus. Right? Not add multiplication. Right? Remember. Write down like this. Right? The next one, develop a number pattern with first term 3n. First term 3n. Right? Mic off kar ganna pote. Please mute your mic when I explain. Otherwise disturbing. When you speak, you have to speak unmuting, and again you have to remute. Right? Okay. First term 3n and common difference minus 2. Common difference minus 2. The first term is 3n. What is the next term? Not to add, we have to subtract by the 3n. What can be the next one?
1,
1.
1,
3n minus 2.
3n minus 2.
Yes,
minus 2.
3n minus 2. But few fellows told 1. Why? Wait. Now, 3n again. Api adu kale 2. We didn't subtract 2n. If we have subtracted 2n, then 1 could have been written. Right? From this unknown 3n, we are going to subtract a numerical one. 3n is algebraic one. Because of n participating, 3n is algebra. Right? Remember. But this minus 2 is numerical value. Therefore, we have to subtract from unknown with the unknown. Therefore, 3n minus 2, both they are unknown. And from this 3n minus 2, again, we have to subtract 2. But subtract 2 means, to this 3n is unknown always. Then minus 2, with this minus 2 group, the another 2 are coming ladies. Right? Because with this minus 2 behind, there are more 2 ladies to become. Then how many ladies together? 3n unknown. Minus 2, minus 2. How many?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Right? Minus 4. Right? Okay. Again, 3n minus 4. Then again, 2 more ladies are coming. So what's happening?
minus 6.
Yes,
3n
3n minus 6. Remember, right? These are called algebraic expressions because 3n and numbers are unknown. 3n is algebra, 2, 4, 6 are numerics. Algebra don't know numerics, numerics don't know algebra, but we don't know both algebraic expressions. Right? Remember. Right. Okay. Now we know how to develop a number pattern. Right? Okay. Finally, I will give you easy one. Develop a number pattern. Develop a number pattern with first term. With first term 1. First term 1. Right? And common difference is 100. Easy one. Okay. A is 1. D is 100. Easy one. Tell you. 1. You add this 100 to 1. They are known. 101. Again add this 100. 201. Come on. What's that? 301. And 401. So on. Okay. Enough. Right. Now you totally understood how to generate, how to develop a number pattern. Do you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we must go to the next topic in mathematics. Mathematically, in the exam, the topic now I am going to do will be asked. Okay. Now let's write the new topic. General term of a number pattern. Write down. General term of a number pattern. General term of a number pattern. general term of a number pattern. Right. Okay, we'll see. For any number pattern, we can we can find the general term. Now, then if I get a 2 as a first term, right, and 3 as a common difference, we can write 5, 8, 11, 14, so on. Now we are going to learn how to form the general term. The general term is the nth term, right? I will explain. You have to keep listening. Don't understand, keep listening. Right? මගේ පන්තිවල understand කරන්න එපා. ඔතන අහගෙන ඉන්න theory.
Sorry,
Right.
sir, I had a connection problem.
Okay, you have to bear it. Then if you have a connection problem, you don't worry. You can just watch this video again after the class. Don't worry. Then you can go to the www.teachingpers.lk and you can find my video. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Right. Now, I'm going to discuss how to find the general term. Okay, keep listening. To get the general term, now, the thing is, what is the first term that you are having? The first term, what is that? 2. Then what is the start? The start is 2. You don't write start, then A, first term is 2. What is the common difference? Common difference.
3.
Yes. Common difference is 3. Common difference is 3. Okay. Now, to write the general term is called TN because this is called term 1. Term 2. You know what do you mean by term? Term, okay? Term, position. Term 3. Term 4. Term 5. General term is the term ahawal. Term n. Term at the end position. That's what we are going to generate. Nth place එකේ term එක ගන්න යන්නේ. Nth place term එක ගන්න grade 9 වල තියෙන special method එක ඉගෙන ගන්න. Just forget the grade 8 previous method. Term n. To find the term n, only you have to write with the first term. What is the first term you told? 2. You better write 2. If the first term 8, you better write 8. If the first term 11, you better write 11. Are you okay? Okay. And this is additive progression. Increase in progression, therefore plus. And you have to write down next time the common difference. The starter and the controller. Controller is the common difference. Who is the controller? තුනෙන් තුනට නේ මේ යන්නේ. එහෙනම් controller කවුද 3? එහෙනම් ලියන්න 3 කියලා. Can you write? The starter plus controller. Can you write? Controller is a common difference. Can you write? You can. After write down them, just plug in n minus 1. Just plug in n minus 1. Answer is going to come. Okay, we'll see. After plugging, the simplification is mathematical. Now you have to do a simplification. Okay, 2 is 2. Can you? Plus is plus. Can you? 3 is 3, but wait. 3 times n is there. 3 times n, what's the answer?
3n.
3n.
Good. And not only that, 3 times 1, what's the answer?
3.
3. Yes, minus 3, you told very good. Because plus into minus, you know, plus into minus.
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 Right. Again, you have to continue. You have to continue. Lamai, 2 is a number. Identify. Minus 3 is a number. But 3n is the algebra. We have to take algebra in front. Algebra is somewhere multa ganna. 3n. And after having algebra, there are 2 boys, there are 3 girls. What can be the result? There are positive 2, there are negative 3. What can be the result? There are 2 boys, 3 girls. What can be the result?
-1.
-1.
-1. මොකද කොල්ලෝ දෙන්නයි කියලා තුන් දෙනා මොකද හිතන්නේ මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා රයිට් කවදාද දවසක නේද ඔය නාට්‍ය වල ඕන තරම් පෙන්නනවා කොල්ලෝ දෙන්නයි කොල්ලෝ තුන් දෙනා ගත්ත ගමන් එක කෙල්ලෙක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා නේ ඒක පොයින්ට් එක අන්න ඒ විදිහට මේක ගැහැණු පිළිවි මල් පළතුරු කන්සෙප්ට් එක හිතන්න පුළුවන් රයිට් එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ මෙතනදී -1 මෙජොරිටි එක කෙල්ලෙක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා රයිට් මේක වැඩියෙන් ඉන්නේ ගැහැණු ළමයි තුන් දෙනෙක් ඒතකොට එක ගැහැණු ළමෙක් වැඩි එහෙම හිතන්න 3n - 1 is easy right that's right okay එහෙනම් නැත්නම් මෙහෙම හිතන්න පුළුවන් we have to subtract the small number from the larger and the sign having the large number is coming. It's also correct. Sign having the large number is also coming. Right. This is the general term of the number pattern given. So what's the general term? 3n minus 1. Check කරමුද මේ? Right. අපිට check කරන්න කලින් grade 8 වලට යන්න ඕන. Grade 8 Grade 8 වල කොහොමද මේක ගත්තේ? 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay, tell you how to get it. Grade 8 වල ගත්ත ක්‍රමය මතක් කරගන්න. ඒක ඕනේ නැහැ. What's the method you got it? ළමයි, there was a difference. Grade 8, 5 and 2 difference is 3. You wrote 3 in. Can you remember? You wrote 3 in. By writing 3n, you subtract 2 from the, you subtract 3, that gap 3. Gap is 3, no? 3 from the first term. 3 from the first term, what's the answer? -1. This was your grade 8 method, but now you have to totally forget this method. Because from the grade 9, 10, 11, this is the method you have to continue. But grade 9 method is somewhat easy. Reason, first term is first. The common difference is next. Just plug in n minus 1. Just plug in what? Plug n minus 1. Your answer is correct. Okay? Right. We'll see how to get that answer. Right. Now, you got term n is 3n minus 1. Don't try to understand. Listen. Right. Now, if I just write down 3n as 1, how can I read this? n වල 1 කියලා දැම්මොත් කොහොමද මේක කියවන්නේ?
First.
Term 1. first term තමයි කොහොමද කියවන්නේ? Term 1. Right. For the left hand side, if I have put 1 for the n, right hand side, what should I put for the n?
1.
1. Same 1. Right. Therefore, 3 times 1 minus 1. Okay. What is 3 times 1?
3.
3. 3 minus 1. What's the answer? 2. Term 1 is 2. Check it correct. Term 1 is 2. Then if I put term 2, what will be your answer probably? 2 to the 3 times 2? 6. 6 minus 1? 5. The term 2 is 5. Term 3. 3 times 3? Hittinda. 3 times 3? 9. 9 minus 1? 8. Term 3 is 8. Term 3 is 8. Check. Is that correct? Correct, neda? Right. Ehna?
Yes.
General term කියන්නේ ඒකයි. General term එකෙන් if you want to find term 100, if you want to find term 100, then Tn equal 3n minus 1. When you need term 100, T100, you can write 3 times 100 and minus 1. Right? And 3 times 100, 300, minus 1 will be 299. Any term you can calculate. What is the meaning of obtaining such a general term? General term එකක් ලබා ගැනීමේ ඉගෙනීමේ meaning එක මොකක්ද? Terms 4ක් 5ක් දැකලා තව ඕනම term එකක් ඒකට apply කරලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. පේනවද කියන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. ඒක practice වෙන්න ඕන ඔයගොල්ලෝ. practice වෙන එක ගානෙන් බෑ. තව ගණන් හදන්න ඕන. මේක පොඩි idea එකක් විතර තාම වට ආවේ. තව යන්න ඕන. Right, එහෙනම් අපි ඉස්සල්ලා topic එක දැම්මම what's the topic? General term of a number pattern. The general term of a number pattern means then I got that e.g. This is the example, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. These are the terms. The start is A is 2, common difference is 3. To write that general term, you write n, first term and common difference, and plug in n minus 1 and simplify, you will get a term, expression. That is the general term. Now, in a general term, don't write this. I just reminded you grade 8. No need to write. And again, I check that. You can take few terms. I just check term 1. If you want to check term 2, it will be also come. Right? Okay. Write down there.
Sir, all?
Yes, all everything except this part. Don't write this part, and everything you write from the line. Right from top to bottom, and this right hand side after that. First you have to generate the general term, and finally you write this. Check. Check in a passerya.
Okay.
Sir,
I couldn't hear you. Ask a question, but I couldn't get it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, we have a group. We have several group. Especially we have a grade 9 online group. Those who are connecting throughout the whole country, around the country, they are involved with the online grade 9 group. In addition to online grade 9 group, we are creating institute group. I think mainly Headway and Jaimini are the two institutes that we are conducting so far, right? Because we can't create one by one, then only 3 groups are enough. No? That's why we have reduced the number of groups. Right? Then you can join with them. Those who are coming physical classes, you can join with the Jaimini group or Headway group. Those who are coming through the Headway, then there's a Headway group, but still I haven't created that group. By the institute or somehow that group will be created and Jaimini we are 20, right? And also remember that මතකද තා point එක මම කියන්න. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ වීඩියෝ බලන්න ඕන නම් මගේ දැන් මේ ඉගෙනගත්තු පාඩම බලන්න ඕන නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ අනිවාර්යෙන් වෙබ්සයිට් එකෙන් රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න ඕන. ඒක අහපු හින්දා කියන්න. වෙබ්සයිට් එක දන්නේ නැති අය ඉන්නවනම් මෙන්න මේක ලියාගන්න. හරි. අද වීඩියෝ බලන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. www.teachingfirst.lk right okay ඔයාලා මුලින්ම ගිහිල්ලා register as a student එක register as a student right when you register as a student you must provide username as your email address you must have email address and the password anyone that you like and remember this. And reference ID කියලා එකක් තැනක් තියෙයි. When the reference ID is there, don't feel that you can leave it and submit the registration and you are pre-registering at this website. After that, you have to log in as a student. First, register as a student. Second, log in as a student. After login as a student, you have a bar to select teachers. Therefore, third one, select teachers. To select teachers, you have to enter my name, Nirosan Prasanta, right? Nirosan Prasanta කියලා එකක් ඇති. Nirosan Prasanta රාජපක්ෂ හරි එහෙම නමක් තියලා බලන්න. ඒක ඇඩ් කරන්න. ඒක දිනවා grade 9 to 12 13 වෙනකම් තියනවා මේකේ. right? ආයෙක select කරන්න. select කළාම class set එකක් පෙන්නනවා. මෙහෙම කොට වගේ තියෙන. ඒක පෙන්නද්දි new to grade 9 කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. new to grade 9 කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. new to grade 9. හරිද? අතින බලන්න. හරි. ඒකෙදී එතන පුළුවන් ඔයාලට දැන් ඕක දන්න ඔන්ලයින් පේ කරපු අය new to grade 9 slot එකේ ඔයාලට තියෙනවා එතන add class එක දෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් add class button එකක් දෙන්න තියෙනවා. දැන් පැටලුණා නේද කියන්නේ? එක register දෙක login තුන select teachers හතර මේක සිලෙක්ට් කරලා හතරවෙනි එක තමයි add class. add class ක්ලික් කරන්න ඕනේ. හතර. පස්වෙනි එක තමයි ඔයාගේ ඉන්ස්ටිටියුට් වල දෙන පන්ති කාඩ් එක හරි payment slip එක හරි bank slip එක හරි pay කරපු එක මෙතන attach කරන්න පුළුවන්. attach කරලා class coordinator මත්සිකා ටීචර්ට ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න තමට ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න ඔය මුල් ටික හින්දා group එකට ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න දාලා තියෙනවා නම් එතකොට ඔයාව එතනින් කන්ෆර්ම් වෙනවා. දැන් මේක ඇඩ් ක්ලාස් තියෙන ඔන්ලයින් පේ කරපු අයට ඔක්කොම ඔටෝ ඉවරයි. ඒවා හරි. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගියා ගත්ත බලන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ ලොග් වුණා, සිලෙක්ට් කළා ක්ලාස් එක, start live streaming අද තිබ්බා වගේ වීඩියෝස් කියලා තියෙනවා බලන්න පුළුවන්. අනිත් අය කන්ෆර්ම් වෙන්න ඕන. කන්ෆර්ම් වුණාම වීඩියෝස් එක පෙන්නන්න ඕන. නැත්තම් පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ වීඩියෝ එක. හරි රයිට් ඔය ටික මතක තියාගන්න පළවෙනි සැරේ පැටලී සමහරුන්ට දෙවෙනි සැරේත් පැටලී ඊට පස්සේ කොහොමද පැටලෙන්නේ නැහැ හරිද මොකද පළවෙනි සැරේට යද්දි ටිකක් ඒ ගතිය තියෙනවා සාමාන්‍ය ඒක සාමාන්‍ය දෙයක් නේ රයිට් ඒක මතක තියාගන්න හරි ඕකේ රයිට් ළමයි just write another example right? Uh, 11, 15, 19, 23. Okay, we will generate. Ready? Okay, after giving this kind of a number pattern, what should we first write? What should we first write? Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, blah, 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 term n. Okay, after that, what is A? 11. What is B? What is B? 15 minus 11. Because 15 is the next one. By the second one, you better subtract the previous one. right? Now what's the D?
4.
Again,
Four.
come there now, 4 positive 4. 4. Right. Okay. Now both are correct. Okay, can you do like this? Okay, write down like me. Okay, now general term is easy. Term n, write down. What should I write first? 11. First 11. And this is additive. Increase in එකක් නේද? අඩු වෙනවද වැඩි වෙනවද? වැඩි වෙනවනේ increasing. Therefore plus දාන්න. Plus. Then what is the skipper? Controller. කීයකද යන්නේ? කොහොම difference එක? Difference එක. 4. Control is 4. Then what should I plug in? What should I plug in? Plug
n minus 1.
N minus 1. Now, to find the general term, what should we do? Simplify. Mathematically, we have to simplify. Okay, Talim, simplify කරලා දෙන්න බලන්න උත්තරය ගන්න බා. Simplify your own answer. Four times n and 4 times 1. What are the answers? 4 times n, 4n. 4 times minus 1, because plus into minus, minus, you know it.
4.
4. 4 times 1, 4. Okay, generally algebraic term is taken front. What is the term? Algebra වෙනම සලකන්න. Algebra ට වෙනම treat කරන්න. 4n. ළමයි මම කියන්නේ අහන්න. Algebra ට වෙනම ගරු කරන්න. Numbers වලට වෙනම ගරු කරන්න. එතකොට maths පුළුවන් යනවා. Algebra ට වෙනම treat කරන්න. 4n. What are the numbers? Positive 11, negative 4. Positive 11, negative 4. What's the answer?
Positive 7.
Positive 7.
Positive
Very good.
7.
Positive 7. Positive 7. කොල්ල 11යි කියලා try වගේ. හරි කොල්ල වැඩි 11ක් තියෙනවා. Term A. Unlike this is a general term. Right. General term එකට කියන තවත් නම් ටිකක් ගන්නවා. General term, common term, end term. හරි. End term එක, general term එක, common term. But are you okay? Right. Write down this one. EG3. Write down. Obtain the general term. Write down. Obtain the general term of the number pattern. Obtain the general term of the number pattern. 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. 5, 11, 17, 23, so on. Okay. Okay, you can do it alone. Thaniyama කරන්න. Okay, try to get your answers on.
So we should find the Tn.
Yes, general term is the TA. Term N, we have to find. Right? What about it? What's the answer you got?
Can't see.
6n minus
4n plus 1.
6n minus 1.
6n minus 1.
Yeah, 6n minus 1 is acceptable. Very good. Yes, you have to recheck your simplification if you have different answers. 6n minus 1 is okay. Six n minus 1 is okay, right? Right, how to get it? Okay, now I'm ready. Just easy, right? Now you have to write down T n, right? Okay, you can better mention that A and B, it's okay. But more than that, you write the first term. You write the first term. And plus, the what is a controller? It's giving 6 by 6. You write the controller, common difference. You write the common difference. Easy, no? First term and the difference. What should be plug in? N minus 1. අමාරු දෙයක් මම කිව්වේ ලේසි දෙයක්. First term, difference, and plug in. Right. Then after that, what should we do? It's mathematical. How to write it? 5. 6 into n. You don't know? 6 into n?
6n
6n. And positive 6 into negative 1. Positive into negative, negative. And 6 into 1, 6. I told you, you have to separate the treat for algebra, you have to separate the treat for numbers. That's it, maths. Then 6n is algebra. And separately, you have to treat positive 5 with negative 6. Positive 5 with negative 6. What is your answer? Positive 5, negative 6. Majority?
minus 1
Minus 1. Yes, minus 1 remain. 1 remain. 5 boys, 6 girls. 5 boys, 6 girls. Only 1 girl is to be remain. Like this. Therefore, the term n is this. It's easy, no? Right, Lamai. Again, recheck. If you substitute 1 here, what's happened? Term 1. Everybody. 6 times 1. 6 times 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Term 1 is 5. If you substitute 2, term 2, 6 times 2, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Term 2, term 3, 6 times 3, 18. 18 minus 1, 7. It's coming. Right. Okay, in this way, we will go for another example. Okay, write down. Example 4. Right? Write down the general term of the number pattern. Write down the general term of the number pattern. General term of the number pattern. Right? Okay. 32, 35, 38, so on. Come on. Example number 4. Right? General term of the number pattern. 32, 35, 38, so on. How to do it? And are you okay? What's the answer you got?
3n
3n
plus
plus
29.
3n plus 29. What answer? Yes. 3n plus 29. Yes, how to get it? Then I told you, right? Term n. And simple case I introduce. Only the first term is first term. The first term is first term, no? Then skipper. What is the skipper? Right? It's going 3 by 3. Going 3 by 3. You keep 3 by 3 and 3 and just plug in what is n minus 1. Right? Simple case I introduce you. This is grade 9. Come on. 32 and finally mathematically you have to do 3n, 3 into n, 3n, 3 into 1 minus 3. Because plus into minus 1 is 3. And respect algebra first. And 3n is algebra. Treat separately. And numerics. You have 32. You have negative 3. What's the answer? Negative 3 and positive 32. Majority positive. What is that? 3 girls. They are with 32 boys. 29 boys are remaining. This is the term n. Okay. You can recheck whether it's correct. Then suddenly if I just substitute term 1, you know 3 times 1 is coming. It is 3. 3 and 29. It is no one else. 3 and 29 is the 32. Correct. Right? Okay. Come on. Let's do another one. Okay. Obtain the general term. Obtain the general term of the number pattern. Obtain the general term of the number pattern. General term of the number pattern. Right? We'll get 8, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, blah, blah, blah. Oh, this time some little bit you have to be careful, okay? I had to ask you whether it's a decrease in one or increase in one.
Decreasing.
Decrease in one, then that is where, yeah, that's the point. The skipper is not adding, skipper is now, you're a little bit compact. Skipper is now, what's happened? Okay, try to find it, you can. Okay, what's the answer you got?
Minus 3n plus 9.
Yes, minus 3n plus,
9.
yes, maybe, minus 3n plus 9 can be, yeah. Are there any different answers? Sometimes can be different answers. Can't be any different answer more than that. No more different answer. Instead of 9, don't you got a different number? Minus 3n is okay. And
5.
3n minus 5.
Not more than that. Yes, answers.
3n minus 7.
Minus 3
So
is
minus 3 and minus 7
3n plus
plus 7.
plus 7.
Okay, wait.
3n
No, plus 9.
7.
Yes,
Nine.
what's the answer?
Plus
3n
9.
plus 11.
Minus 3 and plus 9.
A little bit correct. The minus 3 and plus 11 can become minus 3 and plus 11. Okay, we'll see. Look at here. Now, I told you to write down the first term. And I asked you whether it's a decreasing or increasing. This is a decreasing one. Therefore, further, I can't write positive because it is not increasing. Now it is decreasing. Because of this case, I have write minus. Previous time, all the time you got all increase one. But this time, it decreasing. And what's a gap? The gap is always maintaining as 3. Because you know that control is 3 by 3 decreasing. That's why I got minus. And plug in n minus 1. Plug in n minus 1. Same process. The thing is that minus sign. Okay. And Lamai, there can be some student who subtract 3 from 5. It is totally wrong. Because 3 is engaged with this bracket. Don't go to subtract. Because 8 is innocent one. 3 has a duty with this bracket. Before complete this duty, 3 cannot subtract. This is 8. Wrong. 8 is 8. Continue. Minus, come on. Minus 3 into 8. Minus 3. Now you know minus 3 into minus 1. Negative 3 into negative 1. Negative. Negative 3 into negative 1. Negative. Negative, positive. You know that. Negative 3 into negative 1. Minus plus 3 into 1, 3. After that, I told you, treat separately algebra and numerics. As algebra, minus 3n is the unknown one. And positive numbers there. Positive 8, positive 3. This is not negative. Negative is belong to 3n. This is a natural 8, positive 8. Natural 8. And you have positive 3. Positive 8, positive 3. Positive 8, positive 3. All male. Positive. Positive
11.
Positive 11. This is the answer. You can also recheck that whether it's correct. Then if you just substitute 1, term 1, minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1, what's the answer? Minus 3. Negative 3 with positive 11 only. Positive 8 cube. Right? Simplify like this. Right? The answer is correct. And minus, when you get to term number 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 6 with 11, plus 5 coming. Remember the way, order. The order is if with the decrease one, minus, answer is coming. Are you okay? Right, okay. Let's go to another topic. Right? Write down. Right? Right? Solving problems right? Problems giving general term. Solving problems giving general term. දැන් හැමෝටම ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? next week වෙනකොට. නැති 4-5 දෙනෙක් හිටියා. ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්න ඕන වෙනවා. හරිද? දැන් අද මම එකයි බැලන්ස් කිව්වේ. homework එහෙම කරන්න බැරි ඒකයි. Right. Okay. Lamai.
So what is the topic?
Solving problems giving general term. Solving problems giving general term. Problems giving general term. Right. E.g., write down this one. The general term of a, write down. The general term of the general term of a number pattern is Tn equal 5n plus 2. 5n plus 2. Right? Find first three terms. Right? Find 10th term. See which term is 102. Which term is 102? Right. දැන් ඔයාලගේ හදන groups වල දන්නවද homework දැම්මහම homework බලන්න වෙනම teacher කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. හරිද? එතකොට දැන් ඔයාලා homework ටික group එකට හරි නැත්නම් teacher ඉන්නවා සාමාන්‍ය group එකට තමයි මුලින් දාන්න කියන්නේ නැත්නම් කට්ටිය දකින්නේ නැහැ. මුලින්ම group එකට දානවා. දැම්මම teacher එක correct කරලා ඔයාලට online විදිහට correct කරලා ඔයාලට මේවා අපහු එවනවා මේ විදිහට. හරි? ඒතර homework දුන්නාම පුළුවන් විදිහට කරලා එවන්න. හරි වැරදි mark කරලා teacher එවනවා. හරිද? ඒතර අපේ paper marking teacher මේ අවුරුද්දේ අපිට දැන් ඔයගලන්ට දැන් ඉන්නේ අමන්ද teacher. ඔයගොල්ලෝ group එකේ වැඩ කරද්දී අතර ගන්නේ. තව ඉන්නවා මස්විකා teacher කියලා. එයා ඉන්නේ class coordinator වැඩවලට. එයා තමයි class ඔක්කොම සම්බන්ධීකරණය කරන්නේ. ඔයාලව website එකට දාන්නේ, මෙහෙට දාන්නේ, එහෙන් මෙහෙට ගන්නේ, slips බලන්නේ ඔක්කොම කරන්නේ එයා. සහ වීඩියෝ අවශ්‍ය වුණ පාඩමක් අවශ්‍ය වුණොත් ඒක බලන්න. ඒ හැම දෙයකම එයාව තියලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි නැත්නම් මට ඔය හැම දේම කරන්න ගියොත් එහෙම උගන්නන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැති වෙනවා. මේ දින මන්ත්‍ර ප්‍රමාණය. තේරෙනවද නේද? right. මොකද 10 11ට 12 13ට අපි ලොකු ගේම් එකක් ගහනවා මේ 9ටත් වඩා. මොකද ඒගොල්ලෝ එක්සෑම් නේ. දැන් ඒගොල්ලන් ටියුට්ස් දෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට වගේ නෙමෙයි ඔයගොල්ලන් ටියුට්ස් අඩුයිනේ. right. ඒගොල්ලන් පේපර්ස් වෙනම යනවා. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ සතිපතා පේපර්ස් තාම යන්නේ නැහැ. පොඩි කාලෙක විතරයි කරන්නේ. මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ තාම grade 9 ඉඳලා. right. ඒ නිසා ඒවා හරියට තේරුම් අරගෙන contact කරගත්තී හරි කියනවා contact කරගන්න. හරිද? right. okay. okay. හරිද මේක ලියාගත්තද? The general term of a number pattern is given by Tn equals 5n plus 2. Find the first three terms, find the 10th term, and which term is 102. Okay, we'll see. Now, right. How to find them? Alright. මේක පාර විවරණය තව කරනවා මම තව ඔයගොල්ලෝ try කරන්න. Right, ළමයිනේ find the first three terms. How to find the first three terms? The term n is 5n plus 2. First three terms mean, listen me, term 1, term 2, term 3. First three terms කියන්නේ term 1, term 2, term 3. Now enter 1, enter 2, enter 3. Right, okay. Term 1, 5 times 1 plus 2. Okay, what is 5 times 1? 5. 5 plus 2? 7. The term 1 is 7. Now, right, term 2, find with me. 5 times 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Mathematics. Term 2. Term 3. 5 times what? Term 3, 5 times. Term 3, 5 times 3. And plus 2 is plus 2. Okay, what is 5 times 3?
50.
50. Plus 2 is 17. Right? First three terms are 7, 12, 17, dot, dot, dot. The first three terms. එහෙනම් මේකෙන් ඔයාලා දැන් මොනවද දන්නේ? When you are given number pattern, you know how to form the general term. Vice versa, when you are given the general term, you know how to find the numbers. You know how to find the terms, first three terms. Okay. B, 10th term. Okay, how to find 10th term? What do you mean by 10th term? General term is Tn 5n plus 2. How to obtain the 10th term? Everybody listen me. 10, very good. Term 10. Term 10, 5 times 10 plus 2. Right, write down term 10. 5 times 10 plus 2. 5 times 10, 50 plus 2. What is 50 plus 2? 50. This is the term 10. Then term 12 kiwana? Term 12, 5 times 12. Term 40 kiwana? Term 40, 5 times 40. Term number. Term number directly got. Maybe take up kamotui. Which term is 102? Which ආපු ගමන් dangerous කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. Dangerous කියලා මම මේ උගන්වන්නේ හුඟක් වෙලාවට අර ගණිතේට තාම බය අය ඉන්නවනේ අයිට. හරිද? ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් highlight කරලා කියන්න දෙන්න. සමහරවිට මේක දැන් මොකද තේරෙනවා. right. Which කියලා ආපු ගමන් trick එකක් දෙන්න. trick එකක්. අර number pattern එක ලියන්න. 7 12 17 dot 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 102 dot dot dot. මොකද 102 කොයි term එකද කියලා අහන්නේ. Is it term number 1 or term number 2 or term number 3 or term number term number 8. ඔහොම යටින් label එක ලියන්න. Which term is 102? That's the point, right? Is it term 1? No. Is it term 2? No. Term 3? Is term n? Yes, can be term n. Term n කියලා එක ලියාගන්න. Which term කියලා අහපු ගමන් term එක දීලා question එක අහන්නේ. Right? When the term is supplied, they ask vice versa what the position is to that. Right? Therefore, we have to write down that term n should be equal to 102. Term n equal 102. But already you have been given what term n. Term n එක ඒගොල්ලන් දෙන්න හොඳ නම් මට ගන්න හොඳ නැද්ද? Term n කියන්නේ 5n plus 2. දැන් මම ලියන term n යටින් අප්ලෝඩ් කරනවා 5n plus 2 102. Right? Term n which term? n හොයන්න ඕනේ. මේ n ගේ number එක මොකක්ද කියලා හොයන්න. Right? එහෙනම් which term ආපුවම හොඳටම තියාගන්න. You write the term first three terms and the target term with labels. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term n. කරන විදිහ. You write the first three terms and the target term within term 1, term 2, term 3, term n. You equal term n to that term, target term, and term n is already given. You upload it and 102 and solve this equation to find the position n. You have to solve this equation to find the position n. මේක අර ඉස්සරහට යන්න තියෙන එකක්ද ආපස්සට යන්න තියෙන එකක්ද? හොඳට තේරෙනවා. ඒක ඉස්සරහට යන එකත් ආපස්සට දෙන්නේ. ආපස්සට බැක් කරලා. නේද? මේ ඉස්සරහට යනවා නම් අපි මේ ඉස්සරහට ගියේ ඉස්සරහට නෙමෙයි. මේක ඉස්සරහට නෙමෙයි. ඉස්සරහට තමයි කලින් ගියේ. මේ ඉස්සරහට කෙලිව ඩිරෙක්ට්ලි හෙව්වා 10 term 20 term කියන. මේ 102 දීලා අපෙන් අනිත් පැත්ත position එක. ඒකට ඒක ආපස්ස බැක් එකක්. Right? Okay, right about 5n 102. Take plus 2 other side. Minus 2. 5n equal 100. What is n? Divide by 5. What is n there?
20.
20, very good. 5 times 1, 5 times 2 and 0, 20. So what is your final answer? 102 is the 20th term. You are 102 is the 20th term. Write a sentence. 102 is the 20th term. Bisiweni එක තමයි 102 කියන්නේ. අපි check කරමුද හරිද කියලා. පොඩ්ඩක් මෙතන board එක බලන්න. board. Just find the 20th term directly. Direct hand. Term 20. D20. 5 times 20. What is 5 times 20? 20 of haki.
100.
100. 102. 102. ඇත්තටම 102 තමයි 20 කියලා ආවේ. එලානේ. ඒකේ හරිය.
102.
ඒක වඩා වඩා තේරුනේ හරි. හරි නේද? ඒ විදිහට එන්නේ. Right. Okay. එහෙනම් මේ විදිහට on the general term, when the general term is given, you must know how to find the other terms. When the number pattern is given, you must know how to find the general term. Okay. Right. Lamai, before we go to wind up the day, right, you must remind the beginning I started, right? Can you remember? I introduced you type of natural number patterns and type of developed number patterns. What were the natural number patterns today I introduced? The natural number patterns were there, but odd numbers, even numbers, square numbers, and triangular numbers. But developed number patterns I little by little develop with you. You know how to develop the number patterns. With the first term with the common difference, we developed many number patterns. There were some increased number patterns, there were some decreased number patterns. When you develop the number patterns, I told you, you have to separately treat the algebra and numerics separately. Algebra is adding to algebra, numerics is adding to numerics. Right? They are all algebraic expressions. After that, I taught you how to obtain the general term. General term is a common term, otherwise n term, the term coming in terms of simple n. When a number pattern is given, like 5, 8, 11, 14, 5, 8, 11, 14, how to generate the general term? You write the first term 5, you write the skipper 3, 5 plus 3, and plug in n minus 1, your general term is coming. You have to remember. But there are some problems giving number pattern, giving general term like 3n plus 1. You just suppose, when there's a general term given like 3n plus 1, why so they are suppose 3 terms, and the particular term, 10th term, 20th term, it doesn't matter. Directly you have to substitute and you have to obtain what there. And which term is the considered term, that's when you have to write the first 3 terms and the label. After that, you have to target equal with the given one. And vice versa, you have to substitute the given general term and find the position for n, that will be your answer. You have to again study this one because I have to do more example to get this, right? Okay, but with the time that I can't discuss further, the next day I will discuss few more example for this, right? And till that you have to complete your homework. I will give some homework to do as far as possible. You have to do. You can't give up the homework. It doesn't matter for getting fault. Remember, any answer is better than no answer. I accept all this, right? Now, therefore, you have to do the exercise. Just before the exercise, you have to write down example 1 and example 2. Example 1, example 2. Please mark that. You have to write the questions as example number 1, example number 2, without looking at the note in the textbook, right? The notes in the textbooks are always is to be. Don't write that, right? If a note clear and go textbook එකේ තියෙන ඔයගොල්ලෝ පටල ගන්නවා. මම කියු විදියට ඒක හදලා බලන්න example 1, example 2 මොනවා හරි පැටලෙන දයක් තිබ්බොත් ලියු කරලා තියන්න. ඒක අවුලක් නැහැ. පැටලෙන තිබිය යුතුයි. යා තාම මැස් නේ. තාම අදවන් ඉවර කළේ නෑ පාඩම. එහෙද පැටලෙන තියෙන්නේ. Right. After that, you do exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1.
So which page?
Example 1 and 2 are in page number 6 and 7. 1 in 6, example 2 in 7. And page number 8, example exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. After exercise 1.1, you have to do exercise 1.2. 1.2. That's all. 1.1, 1.2. Don't do 1.3. 1.1 and 1.2. Right. පුළුවන් විතර කරන්න වැරදි පැටලෙන් දැන් තියෙනවනේ මොකද තාම ඉවර කරලා නැහැ ලෙසන් එක. ඒකයි. 1.1 and 1.2. Right? Right. Then අපේ class හැමදාම තියෙන්නේ කවද කවදද? every day කවද කවද තියෙන්නේ?
excuse me,
හරි වා. Next Friday 6 to 8 තියෙන්නේ. හරි 6 to 8 කියන්නේ 8 වෙනකන් maximum කරනවා. ඊට කලින් සමහරට වෙන පාඩමුත් තියෙනවා. හරි 6 to 8 තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? right. එතකොට දැන් අපි class එක පටන් ගන්න start එක දුන්නා. තව අපේ ළමයි එන්නේ ඉන්නවා. අපිට දැන් register වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඕගලන්ට පොඩි new year welcome raffle එකක් දුන්නොත් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? කමක් නැද්ද? දැන් class එක අද කරපුවා හොඳයිද? දැන් යමක් කමක් වටහා ගන්න පුළුවන් වගේ දැනෙනවද?
yes,
ඈ නේද මෙතෙක් ගිය classes වලට වඩා වෙනසක් ලොකුවට දැනෙනවා නම් තමයි මේ class එකේ ඉන්න නැත්නම් ඉන්න එපා. මෙතෙක් ගිය classes වල ලොකු වෙනසක් දැනෙනවා නම් ඉන්න ඕන නැත්නම් ඉන්න එපා. තේරෙනවද? right. එහෙනම් මේ වෙනස ගැන ලොකු වෙනසක් දැනේ. තව ඉස්සරහට ඊට වඩා දැනේ. හරිද? ඒ වෙනස ගැන grade 9 යාළුවන්ට inform කරන්න පොඩි අපි අවුරුදු තිරණයක් දෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඕගලන්ට ඒක කරන්න පුළුවන්. parents-ලාත් ඕන එකතු කරගන්න. මම ගාව තියෙනවා මේ tag වලට හම්බෙච්ච gift orders වගේ. අපේ ළමයි දීපොම. මම මට වැඩක් නැහැ. හරි. එහෙනම් ගොඩක් හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා. මොනවද දන්නවද? no limit එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මේ ඕගලන්ට දෙනවා. හරිද? පුළුවන් විතරක් කරන්න හැමෝම කරන්න එපා. ඔයාලගේ friends-ලා ඉන්නවා නම් friends-ලා දෙන්නෙක් introduce කළොත් මම ගාව තියෙනවා මේ 2000 gift vouchers 10ක් විතර. දෙන්නෙක් introduce කරොත් මම මට කියලා introduce කරන්න ඕනේ. දෙන්නෙක් introduce කරොත් මට කියලා අනිවාර්යෙන් මේක වලට දෙන්න. හරිද? මේකෙත් තියෙනවා gift vouchers 15ක් විතර තිබ්බා 5000 එක. හරිද? එහෙනම් මේක
සමහර තේරුන්නේ
ඒ කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට කැමති නම් විතරයි මේක මේ අපි මේවා නිකන් දෙන්නේ. හරිද? මේ 2000 gift voucher එක no limit එකේ ඔයාලා ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා දෙන්නෙක් මේ month එකට join කළොත් ඔයාලා හරහා මට කෝල් කරලා මට කියන්න කවුද ඉන්න ඕනේ කියලා. කවුද ඉන්නේ කියලා. නැත්නම් ඔක්සිජන් ටීචර් කියන්න ඕන. මේ gift voucher එක ඔයාලට දෙනවා. ඒක gift එකක්. හරි? තව ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා දෙන්නෙකුට වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා 3 දෙනෙක් කළොත් 3 දෙනෙක් ආවොත් 5000 එකක් හම්බෙන්නේ. දෙක ගන්නොත් 5ක් ඕනේ 5000 voucher එක හම්බෙනවා. clearද? හරිද? මං ගාව vouchers ටිකක් තියෙනවා. ඒකයි මේ එහෙම කරන්නේ ගොඩක් නැහැ. ටිකක් තියෙන්නේ. මටත් ඔය හම්බෙච්ච සාම එකතු කරපු වගේ තියෙනවා. ඒ ටික දීලා පොඩි වැඩක් ගන්න ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකක් ගන්න හිතුවේ. ඔයගලන්ට කැමති නම් විතරක් ඒක කරන්න පුළුවන්. යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවනම් කරන්න නැත්නම් වෙයි කියලා gift voucher දෙන්න යන්න එපා. හරිද? friends-ලා ඉන්නවනම් විතරක් ඒක කරන්න. ඒගොල්ලන්ටත් ආවොත් හොඳක් නෙවෙන්නේ. gift voucher එක හරහා හරි ඔයගොල්ලෝ voucher එක ගනි. ඒ ළමයි නේද? ඔතනකට එයි කියන එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ විශ්වාසය තියෙනවා. ඔන්න ඒ වැඩක් තියෙනවා. ඔන්න කැමති නම් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මට හැබැයි කෝල් කරලා නිකන් හොරෙන් එවන්න එපා. ඊට පස්සේ මම දන්නේ නැහැ කවුද ආවේ කියලා. මට කියන්න මෙන්න මේ ළමයි දෙන්න එනවා කියලා. නැත්නම් 3 දෙනා එනවා කියලා. එතකොට මම දන්නවා ඇක්සෙප්ට් කරන්න මෙහෙම කියලා. ඕකේද? හරි. ඒකත් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන නම් මට කතා කරලා වැඩිදුර විස්තර මගේ ෆෝන් නම්බරේ දන්නව නේද? දන්නවනේ නේද? හැමෝම WhatsApp කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
නෑ.
මොනවද? මගේ නම්බරේ 07717905542. ඔකට කතා කරන්න. ඔකට කතා කරලා ඒ වැඩ එක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. තව නැත්නම් ක්ලාස් කෝඩිනේටර් එක නම්බර එකක් තියෙනවා. ක්ලාස් කෝඩිනේටර් එක නම්බර එක 0.10 ක්ලාස් කෝඩිනේටර් මෙයාට පුළුවන් කතා කරන්න. මෙයාට කතා කරනවා ගොඩක් ලේසි මට. මොකද ඔය මගේ ඔය ඕගනයිසිං වල ඔක්කොම එයාට තමයි බාර දීලා තියෙන්නේ. ඕකේද? එහෙනම් දැන් අද ස්ටාර්ට් කළා වගේ අද ඉගෙන ගත්තා නිකන් ආයේ කොලේක කඩදාසියක ලියලා ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න ඕන හරිද? නැත්තම් අමතක වෙනවා. දැන් ඊයේ කාපුව මතකද? මේ day after yesterday day before yesterday මොනවාද මේ ලන්ච් එකට ගත්තේ මතකද? day before yesterday ලන්ච් එක මතකද? මතකයි බඩගහරි කරනවා කියවත් මතකයි. ඔව් නැත්තම් මතකෙ ඉන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? මතක නැහැ නේද? ඔව් මතක නැහැ. මට මතකත් නැහැ. එහෙනම් හැබැයි ඒ කෑම එක රහ ඇතිනේ. කෑම එක කොච්චර රහ ඇති මතක නැහැ. අද ලෙසන් එකත් එහෙමයි. රහ ඇති. තව දවස් දෙකකින් බලන්නකෝ. කෑමට වෙච්ච දේමයි වෙන්නේ. ඒක නොවෙන්න මොකද කරන්න වෙන්නේ? ඒක නොවෙන්න ආයසරයක් අනිද්දා වෙන්න කලින් before 72 hours right 72 hours වලට කලින් අනිවාර්යයෙන් කොලේ කොයි හදපු ගණන් ටික නැවත හදලා උන්ටි කරලා කාට හරි ගහන්න. අයින් ගහන්න බෑ පිට ගහන්න. හරිද? මේ ඇත්තටම ඒක හොඳ මෙන්ටල් ට්‍රික් එකක්. මොකද හේතුව මේ හොඳ නරක පුරුද්දක් වෙනවා කියලා. නමුත් ඉතින් මොනවා හරි වැඩක් වෙනවනේ. අර වැඩ කරපු හින්දා ඒකේ සතුටට ඒක මේ රොබොට් එකක් හරි හදන්න කමන්නේ. මේ පොතක ලියන එක නෝට් එක ලස්සන තියන්න මම කියන්නේ ස්කෙච් පේපර්ස් කියන මම කියන්නේ අලුත් කොලෙන් විසි කරන්න එපා නේ. පව්. හරිද? ස්කෙච් පේපර්ස් තියෙනවනේ ඒක එක දැම්මම අන්න ඒ වගේ වැඩක් ටිකක් හොයාගෙන ඒ වගේ වැඩක් කරලා මැස් ජොලිය කරන්න ඕනේ ඒකට පුළුවන් වෙනවා. මම මැතමැටික්ස් කියලා අදහන්න එපා. හරිද? මැස් කියලා මම අදවත් කියන්නේ තේරුම් ගන්න කියලා. හොඳට අහන් ඉන්න. හොඳට කරන්න. තේරෙයි. තේරුම් කරන්න බෑ අපිට. හරිද? වට තේරෙන්න ඕන. ඒකට රීසන් එක හොඳට අහන්න. හොඳට කරන්න. තේරෙනවා. එහෙමයි. right. okay ළමයි. එහෙනම් we will wind up. right then God bless you ළමයි.
God bless you,
God
sir.
bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir, and thank you, sir.
God bless.
God bless you, sir.
God bless
Thank you, sir.
everybody.